Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Surajit Acharji, a motivational speaker. So I hope like everybody is fine at home, okay, and in this very much pandemic situations, okay. So once again today I'm coming with one more new topics which is a very common especially for nowadays, okay, and it will be really helpful for me. For me also it is very helpful when I think about the topics, okay, and as well as I hope that it will be helpful even for the other people also. So you must watch these videos full till to the end, okay, and at the same time, like if you are very much new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and as well as like, subscribe and share also, okay. And today the topic is like how to stop our overthinking. Right, nowadays it's a very common things which is happening to each and every one of us. Like when you are at home, right, you cannot sleep at night time. You really want to sleep at night time, but you cannot sleep because of the overthinking, because of the pressure, because of the tension, right? Your mind always want that I really want to sleep. It's already late, it's almost 11, it's almost 12 o'clock, but still you really want to sleep, right? Heartily you want to sleep, but still you cannot able to sleep, isn't it? Why it is happening in this time, in these situations and all? And it is not only to you guys, it is happening to me also just few days ago, and as well as to the other people also which I have get the informations and all, right? And so in that kind of situations, what we need to do exactly, okay, like that is just because of the overthinking, how to stop our overthinking. So I'll be giving you some tips which you can come out from these problems, and you can live your life very happily also, and at the same time peacefully also, you can sleep at night also. So basically the first topics which is there, like what I want to tell about the overthinking, what is the main things why it is to happen. Sometimes the overthinking, it comes because of our past, okay, and at the same time because of we think too much about the future, right? We when we are thinking about the past, okay, past is really giving us pain that time, right? Whatever happened, we keep on thinking about that one, which is not going to come once again, right? Because that is already about the past, right? But we are disturbing our mind just by thinking about our past life. That's why it is to affect even our brain also, and that is to make many people are there like why they cannot sleep at night. And at the same time, many people, they struggle once again about the future, right? They are thinking too much about the future, that what will happen in the future, what I can do in my future, right? What about my plan, what about my goal, what about my dream, what I will do in this kind of like example pandemic situation is going on, right? Many people are thinking a lot of things about that one, whatever the dream is there, whatever the goal are there, right, to fulfill in their life, and you are really worried about to fulfill that one, right? And that worriness also cannot make you sleep, right? And you are really overthinking, right? Remember, just because of the overthinking also, that can make you a very sickness, that can come addiction also to you also. And once you get this addiction, it will really affect to your brain also, and at the same time you also, you cannot do any kind of work, right? So that's why you have to stop overthinking about the past and about the future. Accept the situations at present, try to live in at present, right? And happily whatever the things are there, try to leave it like that, isn't it? Now you will say how to accept the situations, right? How I will say, how, who will give us the money, who will give us the career, who will give us the future, isn't it? That I also, it is to come, right? But as I, according to the situations, if you don't accept the situation, then definitely, like if you are thinking too much, that will affect to you, or you yourself only you are going to affect. And plus at the same time, you cannot go like ahead also in your life, right? I'll be telling you two, three, 4 points like how to stop that one also. Just try to get the points about that one. Try to do something new things in your life, right? And because when you do something new thing in your life, you will be always focused to do that one. Suppose you want to learn about example computer, okay, suppose you don't have that much ideas about the computer, you have an idea about the basic, but you want to learn something more about that one. Nowadays the mobile phone is there, you don't have computer, no problem, take one copy, take one notebook, right? And over there learn from the youtubes and all, what are the like the basic things or the intermediate things about the computers are there, you can learn about those things also about the computers. Or maybe some other different kind of knowledge, maybe something about the business, maybe something about the network marketing, maybe something about the direct marketing, maybe something about the business, or different kind of skills, because the knowledge is never end, right? Because if you really give your heart to learn something, then definitely you will be always focused on that one, and that will help you not to do such kind of like the overthinking will be not there, okay? Like you won't think too much about any other past or anything about the future too much. You will like to love at present situations, and you will be going ahead also, okay? Then the second point I will like to tell you that say it out, okay? Try to say it out. Like example, whatever the things are there in your mind, okay, try to talk with your friends or with your family, okay, or maybe you don't have any best friend or you don't have anyone to share, right? That means take one notebooks and all, then try to note down over there whatever you are having, your thoughts, whatever the plan is there, whatever the dreams is there, try to whatever you want to say it out, isn't it? Try to note down somewhere else also, that also it will help you to not to get too much of overthinking also, okay? So that means whenever there is something to share and all, if you are having any friends, families and all, then you feel like too comfortable to share your problems or share about something else, then try to say it out. Don't just try to keep it with you, because that will affect more and more. So instead of that one, either you note down somewhere else, it will feel you that you are saying to someone else, or either you should try to say to the other people also, okay? Something like that you should do it, okay? Then the second the third point which I would like to talk about, the forgive yourself and to others, okay? Many times it's happened why the we used to overthink too much, right? Because you never forgive or like to others also. Sometimes it's happened like maybe somebody told you something about a different problem which which may really make you anger or something like that, right? And you are thinking to take the revenge of that one. Oh, that person, so I will really take the revenge, okay? I will really do them because he or she, they really insult me, right? And he or she should not do to me like this, like that. Means all those stuff is coming to you, right? And that also used to affect us when you are going for sleeping also. That is to come to your mind, okay? Like, oh, that person to really, yeah, today to he really make me angry so much, right? I will really take the revenge, right? One day to I will do something to him or her, something like that, right? So that means if you have that kind of thoughts, then that will really make you problem once again to have this kind of overthinking, and that will affect even to you also, like your brain, okay? Like you cannot control your brain that time, okay? So that's why instead of that one, you try to forgive others as well as to yourself. Before you sleep, always try to forgive others and forgive yourself also, whatever you have done for the whole day, and think for the tomorrow, for the good day, which will help you to make once again a beautiful day in the morning time also, okay? Fine. And the third point, the last point which I'm talking about, the meditations, okay? The meditations is very important, it's really work for me also, okay? Like whenever I really want to sleep, okay, but I cannot sleep, okay, due to the tension, due to the problems, all those things are there, right? The meditations is really help us to sleep properly at night also, okay? And that will really help, because more than 90% peoples, when we talk about that one, when they are facing this kind of problems, definitely 90% peoples, by they are using these meditations, and by the help of this one also, they can able to sleep properly, okay, without having any kind of overthinkings also, okay? So these are the points which is very very important, which I have explained to you just now, okay? There is a 4 points are there, right? And I hope that if you really utilize these things very nicely, okay, in a very positive way, very nicely, okay, then definitely it will work to you also, because it work even to me also. So I hope that it will work even for everybody only, right? So I hope like you really like my videos, and if you really like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channels, okay? So thank you all of you. Bye bye guys, and stay home and stay safe everyone, okay? Thank you.